This is Joe from PlaybookDaily.com, and with Halloween almost being here, figured we'd take a look at a Halloween app. The Halloween app here is called Halloween Sounds, and figured I'd do a demo video just so you can hear some of the sounds that it's able to do. So it has a soundtrack that you can kick on and add some of the sounds in with it, but if you just want to let the soundtrack play, it'll just randomly do the sounds. Then you can add some other And there's a quick look at Halloween sounds for the BlackBerry Playbook.